Let's make cake pops. Pour in your favorite cake mix. Add 1 cup of water, half a cup of oil, and 3 eggs. So now mix it up. Pour the batter in the pan. Put it in a 350-degree oven for half hour. After letting the cake cool, I'm going to put it in a bowl and crumble it all up. And add in 1 cup of frosting. Now mix it up. Now line the pan with wax paper. Take a scoop and form it into a ball. And put it on the wax paper. Now we're going to leave these in the fridge for 4 hours. Now melt some chocolate, dip your stick in the chocolate, and poke it in the ball about halfway. Now put your ball in the chocolate and drizzle the chocolate all over the ball. And just let the excess drip off. Now you sprinkle some candies over it. You can make any designs that you like. Here are some of the ones that I did. You notice one is missing because I had to eat one. I couldn't resist. This was a really fun experience. It brought out the creativity in me. And let me see what you can do. I challenge you to see what kind of designs you can come up with.